this is also good. Everything is in the place. So now just go for the last formula. And yeah, keeping in the right side, just let's apply the formula again. And yeah, I did it. Let's see the stopwatch. Yeah, you can say 3 minutes 12 seconds.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. We love you and we care about you. If you love this course and you are able to solve it successfully and you enjoy everything you've watched so far, kindly drop a positive review. Dr. Emmanuel and Dr. Ashan from India. Bye for now. See you in the next one. Perfect.